Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to this session. Now in this video we are going to understand how to insert cells, columns or rows or even sheets. It's very quite easy and simple. And yes, you may see that column number A, that is order ID, column B order date, column C order quantity, and column D sales. For example, I would like to add a column which have a location. So in that cases, simply so ensure that if you select this column number C will be moved to +1 column, and the new column will be placed in this location. So now here I'm now in the place of order quantity, simply right click and click on insert. We are so here automatically the C, whatever data is available in the earlier in C, it was moved to D. A new column has been added. Here I'm going to add the location, right? And here for example I would like to, so this is how we add. And if you wanted to delete these, simply right click on column and click on the delete. Automatically it was deleted, right? For example, if you want to add 3 columns at a time, then you need to select 3 columns first, then right click, then click on insert. This time we have selected 3 columns, then we inserted a column, so it has taken totally 3 blank columns, right? And next, if you want to insert a single row wherever you like to insert, for example, if you want to add a row in 7th, you right click on 7th, then click on insert. The 7th data will be moved to 8th, the 7th data will be moved to 8, the 6th format, whatever format, color, everything is there, that will be come to +1, that is 7. I repeat once again, if you right click on 7th row and insert a row, the 7th row data will be moved to 8th, and the 6th row color format, 6th row whatever format is there, that format will be carried to 7th row without values, with format. So right click on 7th row and click on insert. The 7th row data has been moved to 8, and the 6th row color formats has been carried down to 7. Is it clear? Done. And if you want to add more than one row, if you want to add 3 rows, then you select 3 rows, then right click and click on insert. Now this time we have selected 3 rows, so it was added 3 rows, right? And if you want to delete them, simply select the multiple cells, right click and click on delete. Right click and delete. Select the number of rows, right click and delete. Select a row, single or multiple, then right click, then delete. And here this is how it works. And if you want to add, if you like to add a single cell, right click on the cell and click on insert. Right click on cell and click on insert. And now here we are going to add a cell. We are going to add a cell by adding entire row, or by adding entire column, or only by shifting cells right or down. Now this time I am adding a cell by shifting cells down. It means whatever cells are already available, we are going to insert one more cell in this location, and all these cells will be shifted to down. So I'm clicking on here, so all this, whatever the data is available here, will be shifted to down. A new cell is added. Ctrl Z, so undo, again right click, again insert. Now this time shift cells right, that means these cells data will be moved to right, will be now, first we have tried with the down, right? So the new cell is inserted, the existing data has been shifted to down, and this time we are going to add a new cell by shifting the existing data into right. So again shift cells right. So this time this data has been moved to this cell data has been moved to here, and the new cell is added by shifting the cell data to right. Initially the data has been shifted to down. So this is how we do, not only in this way. And one more example I would like to see here, and here there is another two options are available. If you like to add a cell by inserting the whole column or row, right click, and here I'm going to add insert entire row. We already practiced these two by right clicking. See, not only this way, again right click and insert, right? So we added columns like this. Not only in this way, you also can right click on any cell, then you click on insert. Here also we can see entire column, so the new column has been added. And initially we already practiced how to add column, how simply right click on any row and click on insert, so the column is added. Not only this way, even by right clicking on any cell, right click and go to insert, here we are going to add a row. So in this manner, in this method also we can add cells. So this is how we add and delete the respective columns and rows. And if you want to delete this, again you may do the same, not only by right clicking on cell and delete. This also can be done, and even by right clicking on individual cell also you can delete. So simply select the function delete, and here what you like to delete. I would like to delete row or column, that is your choice. If you select a column, the total this E column data will be deleted, and F, see here, E column will be deleted, and F data will be moved to E, and G data will be moved to F. So click on entire column, so automatically F blank data moved to E, and G data has been moved to F. And if you want to delete the row, and if you want to delete the row, I'm selecting 15, so right click and delete and entire row. That means the 15th row will be 15, that means 7th row data will be erased and will get moved up. So again, okay, that was erased. So this is how we add and remove cells, rows and columns. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.